Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a hot topic for years now. From science fiction movies to real-world applications, AI is everywhere. But one question looms large. Will AI replace humans? Hollywood certainly seems to think so, but the reality is far more complex. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the world of AI, exploring its capabilities, limitations, and the future it holds for humanity. Chapter 1. Understanding AI. What is AI? To understand whether AI can replace humans, we first need to understand what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence refers to machines designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. Types of AI. AI can be categorized into 3 types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligent AI. Narrow AI is designed to perform a specific task, such as virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, or recommendation algorithms used by Netflix and Amazon. General AI, also known as strong AI, refers to a machine that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. This level of AI remains theoretical and is the subject of ongoing research. Superintelligent AI surpasses human intelligence in all aspects, from creativity to problem-solving. It's the kind of AI that many fear could pose existential risks to humanity. Chapter 2. The current state of AI. Advancements in AI technology. AI has made significant strides in recent years, revolutionizing industries and transforming our daily lives. In healthcare, AI algorithms assist in diagnosing diseases with remarkable accuracy. In finance, AI predicts market trends and detects fraudulent activities. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are set to change the future of transportation. Limitations of current AI. Despite these advancements, current AI systems have notable limitations. They require vast amounts of data and computational power. They also struggle with tasks that involve common sense, reasoning, and adaptability in unfamiliar situations. AI experts said today's AI is impressive, but it's still far from human-like intelligence. We have specialized systems that can perform specific tasks extremely well, but they lack the generalization and adaptability of human intelligence. Chapter 3. The impact of AI on jobs. Automation and job displacement. One of the biggest concerns about AI is its impact on employment. Automation, powered by AI, is expected to displace certain jobs, particularly those involving repetitive and manual tasks. Jobs in manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are among the most vulnerable. According to a study by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, automation could displace around 85 million jobs worldwide. New opportunities created by AI. However, AI is also creating new job opportunities. There's a growing demand for AI specialists, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts. Moreover, AI is augmenting human capabilities, allowing workers to focus on more creative and strategic tasks. Labor market analysts said, while AI will undoubtedly change the job landscape, it will also lead to the creation of new roles and industries. The key is for the workforce to adapt and upskill to stay relevant in the evolving job market. Chapter 4. Ethical and societal implications. Bias and fairness. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data contains biases, the AI can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair outcomes. For instance, AI algorithms used in hiring have been found to favor certain demographics over others. Similarly, AI used in law enforcement can lead to discriminatory practices if not carefully monitored. Privacy concerns. Another major concern is privacy. AI relies on vast amounts of data to function, raising questions about how this data is collected, stored, and used. There's a fine line between leveraging data for beneficial purposes and infringing on individual privacy. Privacy advocates said, we need robust regulations and transparent practices to ensure that AI development respects privacy and human rights. It's crucial that we build AI systems that are not only effective, but also ethical. Chapter 5. The future of AI and human collaboration. Rather than replacing humans, AI is more likely to augment human capabilities. We're already seeing examples of this collaboration in various fields. In healthcare, AI assists doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately. In creative fields, AI tools help artists and musicians push the boundaries of their work. The role of AI in solving global challenges. AI also holds the potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. From climate change to poverty and pandemics, AI can provide innovative solutions to complex problems. Technology futurists said AI could play a pivotal role in developing sustainable technologies, optimizing resource use, and improving global health outcomes. The possibilities are vast, but we must navigate the development and deployment of AI carefully. Chapter 6: The Human Element. The irreplaceable human touch. While AI can perform many tasks, it cannot replicate the essence of what makes us human. Our creativity, emotional intelligence, and ability to form deep connections are unique to us. Art, literature, and innovation are driven by human experiences and emotions. These are areas where AI can assist, but not replace the human touch. Preparing for the AI future. As AI continues to evolve, it's crucial that we prepare for this future. Education and continuous learning will be key. We need to equip future generations with the skills to thrive in an AI-augmented world. Teaching critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence will be just as important as teaching technical skills. By fostering a culture of lifelong learning, we can ensure that humans remain at the heart of our rapidly changing world. So will AI replace humans? The answer is nuanced. While AI will transform many aspects of our lives and work, it is not poised to replace the unique qualities that define our humanity. Instead of fearing AI, we should embrace it as a powerful tool that, when used responsibly, can enhance our lives and help us tackle global challenges. The future of AI is not about humans versus machines, but about how we can work together to create a better world. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.